So this is my second post on YouTube. I thought it would be easy figuring out what content to post, but it is not as easy as I thought. Today I have decided to do an introduction just to buy time as I figure out what next. I started writing some ideas that I have, but nothing came up. It was frustrating at the beginning, but I realized, why not just record? And I sat on my usual spot trying to figure out things as I got stuck, thinking hard, and then I decided to let go and hang out with my dogs, the things I normally do all the time. Ocham was stinking, smelling terrible, and I guess it's because he was playing in the dirt. Just some dirty water the goose left. He was looking terrible. Oh dear, Ocham. This is Yuki. That is where they were playing, in the dirty water. But Yuki can't get inside there because Yuki is so cautious about that, but Ocham isn't. Ocham would play anytime, any day. I brought Ocham so that he can play with Yuki. Ocham is only 3 months old and Yuki is way older. That is me as usual, just talking to my neighbors. They have a 3-year-old who loves me, and I spend hours here just chatting with them, talking about random things, and it's always interesting, quite very interesting. Then I'd probably go back to my garden. My garden is my everything, because that is where I go, calm myself, clear my thoughts. I sometimes forget to water it, but today I didn't forget. And actually they're doing well. My plants are doing good. Of course, some are dying, but the point is they're doing good. Most of them, at least. Yeah, and that's how I spend my day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe just to show me some support. I feel like I've done such a good job posting my second video, and hopefully my third